previous videos, we had teach how to use Adobe Illustrator to design the background, colors, and text. So, in this video, we'll give tips on creating an outstanding poster layout. Let's get on with the video.
The key features of any posters are the title, fonts, the color, and lastly the white space. I will explain all of this throughout the video. Here are the tips on designing a good layout. First, you need to know that simple is good. Second, make important information stand out, such as the title, the venue, and also the date. Line things up so that your poster looks neat. And lastly, don't make it crowded, as this would confuse your audience. First, we will start with the header. To easily identify each section of the poster, the heading must stand out. Use colors, boxes, bold text, and white space for the title. Make sure the texts are easy to read. A good principle design is to use one font for titles and headings and another for the rest of your text. Example of good combination is title or heading, use Rockwell. Body text, use Bimbo fonts. Include your contact information in your sale poster for people to easily reach you. This image shows the font size that we recommend. We also recommend setting the line spacing your text between 1.25 and 1.5. Next, for colors, we recommend to be neutral with one bolder color. For online entrepreneurs, we suggest to use the color red, blue, or pink. That will help to increase your sales. These are some simple color schemes to get you started. Last but not least are the alignment and white space. The way to make your poster looks professional is to keep things well aligned. Also, if you have a set of charts or images, make them all the exact same size and evenly distributed. Finally, make sure there is enough space between each unique element in your design, as well enough space around the border of your poster. Subscribe for more tips and guides on creating amazing posters, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos from us, ZackTech.